Lately, I've been feeling a little bit intoxicated because I suck in verbal helium at record time to make my voice high. I snort powder books to elevate my mind, and consciousness is what I shoot up to loosen that mental noose up. I used to think I had the hook up to God. I didn't look up, closed the book up, and got shook up. My mind was televised across the nation on Hill Street Blues and in Dallas. Fingers had calluses from remote controls from Atari and Activision. That's right, Activision, because Activision acted as my vision until me and wisdom had a head-on collision. I've been doing music videos since 2008, and I like bringing those particular poems back to life through video. You know, you write it down, it's birth. Then you do it in video form, it's a rebirth, you know, so that's been going over pretty well for me. Tomorrow will tell us a story. It will tell us a story about a history that was never meant to be forgotten. Tomorrow will tell us a story about restricted fruits that fell from forbidden trees, forcing animosity against the people. Tomorrow will tell us a story about fatherless single women raising their fatherless sons to be men. It will tell us a story on how technology has made us lazy. So tell me 10 phone numbers in your smartphones that you have committed to memory. Her heart embraces a spiritual poverty that runs so deeply that if it was a cell phone, it would be on its last bar and just one call away from a drained battery. It's assault and battery, and actually, it's like she contractually made a deal with the devil, falling down to her lowest level. She's profoundly profane, and even though she calls out Jesus' name, to her, God only exists in a state of bliss. Therefore, she lives her life by death wishes, showered with tormented kisses of reality. Well, at Monmouth, me personally, I was the WMCR alum, basically. I mean, that was my place because I really love music. And what I did at WMCR, where Monmouth College rocks, you know, I was a production manager, so I would bring in like a lot of hip hop music that we didn't have originally, and we just started building up that genre of music. And also. I got into one play while I was here. It was a Midsummer Night's Dream. And, you know, I forget what role I played, but that helped me out in terms of being theatrical in my performances when I do my poetry. Because I didn't even audition for the play. They came and approached me about it, and I was like, oh, why not? You know, and it was in the play. Oh man, it actually means a whole lot to me because when I left in '93. I honestly didn't know if I was ever going to make it back this way because most of the people that I knew here had gone, you know, other than Professor McGann. I didn't know a couple other people I saw here that I didn't realize were still here, like Professor Boobin. But when they said, when I was talking to Lee McGann and he asked me about coming up here and trying to get me up here to perform, it felt really good. I mean, it felt like I was coming home to perform. And it's great when your family acknowledges what you do, you know. So I haven't been here in 19 years. That's a long time. But I still look good, and still look young.